Well, about Brookston and Chalmers over here to near Bunker Hill and also Fowler and southward, we've had about 1 to 2 inches of sleet and snow. And with that sleet and snow, we've had about 1/10 of an inch of glazing ice down here along the I-74 corridor. But more snow as you head northward. Reports of generally 2 to 3 inches, and a few places over 3 inches here. And the latest reports were of snow at Winamac, Rochester, all snow at Remington. I just checked outside here. Still a little light sleet falling here at the television station. Now notice the back edge of this is pretty much in our western counties, kind of near the state line here in Warren County. But the thing is, it's kind of moving northeastward. So this little bit down here towards Terre Haute will move northeastward. So we're still not out of the woods yet, but with time, this will gradually move eastward here into the overnight. Now the pink, that's mainly just pure sleet and freezing rain down in parts of southern Montgomery, Boone County, Crawfordsville area, also over towards the Tipton area now. Now, Lafayette, Attica, Frankfort, Kokomo, this is mainly sleet and a little bit of snow mixing in at times. But as you head northward, it's mainly snow here. In fact, this is pretty much all snow. Latest observation out of Grissom was all snow here at the top of the hour. On our wind cam, you can see roads in bad shape with the sleet and snow out there, but the flags aren't waving as much. The wind is in a bit of a lull right now, but I guarantee you that's going to kick right back up, especially tomorrow night. Now, the warm air is trying to come in here. It's 27 at Perrysville, but it's 19 Lafayette. So we've got warm air riding over the top of very cold Arctic air bleeding in. You see it's 15 at Rochester. So the flakes up in the clouds, it starts to fall, it melts into a raindrop, and then when it gets down to this cold air near the surface, like Lafayette at 19, it freezes into a sleet pellet, and that's how, of course, you get the heavy sleet. And wind gusts right now down from near 30 earlier, 20-mile-per-hour gusts or so here Lafayette, 14 Pence, highest gust here in the past hour, 31 at Rensselaer. This is the first wave of snow and sleet with this storm, up to 5 inches by tomorrow morning, mainly north. We'll call it 2 to 5 area-wide. A break for tomorrow morning. Then it picks up in the afternoon, and especially tomorrow night, a lot of snow, a lot of sleet, and then brutally cold following the storm. Notice on Futurecast here, again, there's the snow and even some sleet. A lot of it starting to pull away towards morning, and I think we'll get a break tomorrow morning. There could be some very light freezing rain or sleet down here in the south, but everybody, or most everybody, will have a nice break in the morning to kind of clear roads off. But the main event arrives later tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, and boy, it really cranks up tomorrow night. Heavy snow, Rensselaer to Fowler and Rochester at 7 p.m. Lafayette, heavy sleet and snow around 7 p.m. There could be a lot of freezing rain down here towards Crawfordsville, perhaps Lebanon. Sleet, Frankfort, snow and sleet, and very heavy snow here at Rensselaer at 11 o'clock. And then it's all snow for everybody, 7 a.m. Wednesday, and all snow for everyone Wednesday afternoon. Snow and sleet totals right now, again, about 10.2. Haven't changed that in Lafayette. About 13.5 Monticello, 14.5 Rensselaer, 7 Frankfort, 7.9 Kokomo, less as you head southward where there would be more ice. And this is the only thing I've changed since 6 o'clock. We could get a little brief period of freezing rain in Lafayette, maybe up to 1/10 of an inch. Thorntown, Tipton, Lebanon, Crawfordsville, up to 1/3 of an inch of glaze ice. That may lead to some sporadic power outages. There's the forecast. Winter storm continues tomorrow after a break in the morning, and snow Wednesday, then sharply colder, 10 for the high Thursday, 21 Friday, perhaps a little light wintry mix Sunday, but the temperatures headed in the right direction, 35 by Monday, but that's probably going to be as warm as it gets the next 7 days.